Hey, you're right on time. We've got a heck of a party planned for this afternoon at 707 Line Street in historic Old Decatur. Come on in, let's get the party started. Okay, you know what happens when you're the first one to a party. You may likely get put to work. You might get handed a cocktail, but I'm going to stand here and find a quick appetizer to serve y'all. I'm going to prepare it in this fabulous kitchen, so hang tight, the party continues. Well, we call this the party house for obvious reasons, but can you imagine this if you worked from home as a great home office, or if you needed an art studio, or hey, what if you homeschooled the kids? I think this would be a great space for that. So I hope you're enjoying the party. You look thirsty. Here you go. Okay, I want you to see the dining room. We have no furniture in there yet, so use your imagination, but it's really fabulous, spacious, plenty of room for large dining room table, china cabinets, buffets. Maybe the next party will be a sit-down dinner during the holidays. Oh, hey, I just ran upstairs to freshen up right quick, but no worries, there are 5 other bathrooms on this property. There's a Jack and Jill bath with the 2 guest rooms, there is a powder room and a shower bath down on the main floor, and each of the 2 guest houses both have shower baths as well. All right, guys, shh. We had guests after the party last night, and when you have guests in a guest house, all you do is add donuts and a Diet Coke. They may never leave. This is a perfect space for friends, extended family, again, you name it. This property offers everything. Okay guys, I hope you had a great time at our party online. The space turned out to be fabulous. These wraparound patios just were absolutely amazing for all of the guests to have a really good time. If you would like to have your family host their next party at 707 Line Street Northeast in historic Old Decatur, please give me a call. I'm Kim Hallmark with Remax Platinum, Kim Hallmark Real Estate Group.